Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about eTORO, which is another broker that I use. I use two brokers altogether, Freetrade, which I spoke about last week, and eTORO, which I'm going to talk about today. So I've been using eTORO now for about 2 to 3 months, I think. About that sort of time span. But I mainly use it for my crypto holdings, and I don't do this yet, but I'm very interested in trying out at some point doing copy trading. There's a few people that I have in mind that I'd like to sort of copy their portfolios, and I'd like to see how it works out. But I'm going to quickly go through my holdings, what I've got at the moment. So I'm going to start off in the watch list, and this is where I keep all the sort of stocks that I'm interested in, seeing the price changes from that. So I think today's quite a green day, so a lot of these ones that I'm sort of watching at the moment are up at the moment. I really do like the layout of eToro's website. I think it's very easy to follow. They've also got a phone app which I use a lot. I use that more than the web page, but like with Freetrade, there's no web browser, so it's nice being able to switch between the two. Also, it's very seamless going through it. It feels nice, it feels good. You can see some of the people that I'm watching as well. So one person I'm interested in maybe copying in the future is someone called Robert Reynolds. He's got a YouTube channel, The Popular Investor. He's very good. It's good, you can see their feed, so it's like a social media in that aspect. Like you can see the updates, they sort of update you on how different parts of their portfolio are performing. It shows the stats as well, which I think is really interesting to look at. So you can do this all copy traders. You can have a look at how they've been performing, for how long they've been trading for. So Robert here has been trading investing since March 2020, and you can see his percentage increases and decreases for each month. So you can see he's done 35.29 in the year for 2020. Right now he's on 24.67. You can also see the weightings of the portfolio, so you can see how much they invested into each one. It gives you a good rundown of it, which I really like. Shows you which one's performing well, which aren't, and then it shows you the chart. So it starts from 10k, for example, and it shows how much you would have made if you put 10k in, for example. So it's quite easy to follow and see how well it would have performed. And then after the watch list, you've got portfolio, which you can see my portfolio here. It's doing okay. I've got quite a lot of closed positions at the moment. So I've sold my Ethereum position just recently for 3,400. I sold some Bitcoin for profit, and then I recently been buying more Binance coin, which I do like quite a lot at the moment. Also, you can do leverage trades, which really interests me. Free trade, you can't do that at all, which is a downside of it a little bit, but I think it's good just because it's a bit riskier when you start doing leverage trades. So for example, Neuroqueen Biosciences, I've got that on 2 times leverage, so it's not too bad. I've got a stop loss as well. But yeah, it's nice having that flexibility. You can do 1 times leverage, 2 times leverage, and then 5 times leverage, which is 5 serves on at the moment, so you can see that's why I'm down 24%, but we'll see. It's only a small amount of money in that, so we should be okay. You can see your account history if you press this button here. And then after that, you can go on newsfeed, which is actually really interesting. I go through it quite a bit, and you can search on like different things. So if you want to learn more about Bitcoin, what people are thinking about Bitcoin, you go on Bitcoin, and you see what people are saying about it. So right now, Doge is popping off, so that's linked to Bitcoin, and yeah, I think it's like 60 cents right now or something. Also, you go on trade markets, you can see which stocks you might be interested in, and then copy people, which is quite good. I don't look at through here too much because I've already got a few people in mind that I do like. People that I am interested in copying in the future would be, I think, Jay Nemesis. He's doing really well, but he's the most copied person on eToro as far as I'm aware, and I don't think you can actually copy him anymore. So yeah, trader cannot be copied. But most of these traders you can copy. It's just because he can literally move markets with how much capital he's got. Accounts under management. But yeah, that's pretty much the rundown. I'll show you a quick tour of what it looks like on the phone. It looks quite similar to how it looks on the laptop on your web browser. But here we go. So yeah, as you can see on the phone, it's pretty similar to how it looks on the actual web browser. It's nice, it's easy to go through. You can just, yeah, it's pretty seamless. I like it. So yeah, I use eToro. I don't use it for my stocks and shares, so that's with Freetrade. But I use this as more of accounts to sort of play around a bit more. I know I've got quite a lot of money in there, which I try and add to. Like I'm getting paid in a few days, so I try and add to it again. But yeah, this is an account that I'm a bit more active in than the other one where I just buy stuff and hold it and don't do anything with it, where I don't touch it. This one I move around a little bit more, sell a bit more, buy a bit more. But yeah, close and open trades more frequently. Yeah, that's pretty much it. eToro, I really do like it. I would suggest you maybe do some research before using it. I know a couple of my friends that use eToro. It's not available yet in the US. I think it will be soon. Also, they are very good at adding different stocks and shares and crypto indices, commodities, stuff like that. Like they just added Dogecoin if you want to buy that at 60 cents. You can start buying that from eToro. So they do keep it updated, and it is nice. It is a seamless sort of web browser and a broker to use, and I would personally definitely think about using it if you're not already. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you have a lovely day. See you later.